Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Python Techie. I am Java here. Today I got a very good topic to share with you all. It's all related to how we can obtain the technical certification for free of cost along with free course offered by the Kaggle and Google. Let's see the first Kaggle. So here it's offer lot of courses. You can see here Python, Pandas, data visualization. One of it is Python, where I have completed the certifications. So you can see the certifications, and we can download as PDF, we can download as image, and let me show you how it will be. I already uploaded on my LinkedIn the same certification, and you can also do it. What the Kaggle gives? Kaggle gives a course along with test. Okay, so this is the course offered, and once this course is completed you can click on this link for the test. Then only after completing of this test, then only we can get the certifications. So we have to practice on hands-on, and it asks a few questions like how we can display these pandas. We need to write whatever we learned in the course. So we that will definitely teach the required answers and other topics as well. And once it is done, we need to check this whether it is correct or not. One interesting thing and important is the Kaggle gives the hint, or sometimes it also gives the solution, so that you can go and verify your solution along with it. So once it is done, you can complete all the courses, like maybe it may be 4 hours or it may be 5 hours, but there are many other courses. For each course it will give a certifications, and as well as it will provide the course for free of cost. Okay, so now we just saw the pandas example, and this is a another questions it is asking. You can go and study, and we can display data like this. Like this, there will be many questions, 5 to 7 questions will be there for each course. Now let's see, click on the learn, you will see the courses. Now pandas, data visualizations, now it's completed. I completed the course here, but I still pending with some questions. That's why the green color shows less. So then let's see the data visualization, the new course. We can begin the course. It's 4 hours course. Once it is done, each topic we need to study, and once it is study is done, we have to take the exam. So the second option is Google Digital Garage. This is the another very good free of course offered, and certification offered by the Google, and where you can see that different options like soft skill, HTML, JavaScript, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python, different course it will be offered, and that will be free of cost, as you can see the filter, right? And let me show you first one of it by opening it, and then what it contains, how what we should do, how much hours we need to study, or how much hours need to complete it. I'm opening machine learning course. So this machine learning course, basically it shows there are some modules, how many hours I need to complete this, and how it works. There are 3 steps it is there, and then we need to launch the course, and there are 30 plus exercises, 25 lessons they are teaching, and with the example and other important options. Okay, so once it is completed, now once we are launching it, here on the left hand side, all the topics will be covered for this course is given around 25 plus, and this will be covered by the experienced data science developers who worked in Google. So here you can see that the machine learning is covered by this author, and like there are many other options are available. Now the third option is skill shop, that is again provided by the Google for a course as well as the certifications. I have just taken the universal analysis, like it's like how we can Google Analytics works, how we can get the certification or qualification for individual. I have taken the exam. It will be like this. There will be 70 questions, and I have just taken the last 2 questions. So once it is completed, once we have answered all the questions and other things. We have to submit it. Certification exam will be like this only. It will be 40 minutes to 1 hour core, 1 hour exam. You can complete early if you know the answer quickly, or you can take 1 hour the full time. See, now I completed the assessment, and out of 70, I got 65 correct answers, so overall 93%. So it's not just that. Once it is done, you got the certification here. Google Analytics individual qualification completed by me on December 25th. Okay. Now, once we got this, so this is it is like we got the course, we also got the certifications. Now we can share this. We can download as a PDF. You can save it. Okay, and then also it gives an option to share on the LinkedIn. First, let me save in my folder local, and as well as it also gives the option to share on LinkedIn as well. This is the plain certifications. Okay, share. Let me share. It opens the LinkedIn. If I logged in already, it opens the LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, which are the options. I logged into LinkedIn. Now it creates a post. Now we can write whatever it is, and we can tag it and share it. So this is how we got the 3 new certifications. Okay. So please go through it. I will add the all the required links in my YouTube channel as well as in the LinkedIn. Let me know if you have any feedback and questions. Thank you for watching and hope you are able to understand the little. Please share your valuable feedback and suggestions for the next video. Thank you.